In this video, pag-uusapan natin kung paano mag-transfer from Bitget Wallet papunta sa ating mga GCash via GCrypto. Hi, my name is John and ginawa ko itong video na ito because one of our friends in the name of Mr. Zaldi asked us kung paano ba mag-transfer mula sa Bitget Wallet. He's actually from Saudi papunta dito sa Pinas through GCash. And in this video, ituturo ko sa inyo ng step by step. First thing na kailangan natin gawin is to identify kung nasaang network or chain yung ating crypto na gustong i-transfer. So para malaman natin yan dito sa app, punta tayo sa wallet section. And let's say for this example, ang gusto kong i-transfer is itong Bitcoin or yung BTC. Pindutin natin yan. Now over here at the top, meron tayong nakasulat na BTCB and under that, andyan yung BNB chain. Which just means na itong Bitcoin na ito is nasa BNB chain. Which just simply means na kung gusto mong i-transfer itong BTC na nasa Bitget wallet mo, kailangan ang gagamitin mong network is BNB chain din. However, meron tayong minor problem because kung titignan natin ngayon dito sa GCash, ang tinatanggap lang na BTC is via native SegWit and SegWit networks, which means hindi kasama dito yung BNB chain, and it also means na hindi natin pwedeng isend dito kasi hindi po ito yung network na kaparehas dito sa ating Bitget wallet, which is BNB chain. Now the reason why I called it a minor problem is because meron tayong workaround. Take note na lahat ng transactions na ginagawa natin sa crypto wallet requires fees, which includes yung network fees, transaction fees, and yung gas fees. Now ang kagandahan with Bitget wallet is meron silang feature na GetGas kung saan lalagyan mo lang ng Ethereum, ng USDC or any supported tokens na included dito sa kanilang list. Ang mangyayari is that it will cover majority of the networks or chains na supported ng GetGas. So instead na mamroblema ka pa, mahassle ka pa na mag-convert ng ibang tokens into those tokens na ginagamit ng bawat network para sa gas fees, sila na po ang bahala doon and magiging seamless yung transaction mo. Assuming na beginner ka or hindi pa malawak ang knowledge mo sa crypto, don't worry because madali lang mag-top up dito as it supports QRPH. On your Bitget Wallet's homepage, pindutin ang Add Funds button. Then choose QRPH. Right here makikita nyo under sa Pay, naka-Philippine Peso na. And yung receive natin would be USDT. And I want to change this into USDC. And since magta-transact tayo sa BNB chain, kagaya nung nabanggit natin kanina, we'll choose BNB chain. And right here, since ang gusto kong ilagay lang is around 200 pesos, it will automatically give you kung ilan yung magiging conversion. So right now, yung 200 pesos, ang makuha ko ditong USDC is 3.0827, and if I'm good with it, click on next. Then yan, magre-redirect siya, kukonect siya with TransFi. So dito, kailangan na natin ilagay yung ating email address. Then pindutin natin yung blue button. Magsasend ang TransFi ng verification code sa ating email. Ganito yung itsura ng email ng TransFi. So ito yung aking OTP. Ilagay ko yan doon sa ating Bitget Wallet transaction. Paste. Once done, pindutin natin itong blue button sa baba. Then magge-generate yan ng QR code. Ang kailangan natin gawin is pindutin itong i-download ang QR. Then i-open natin yung ating GCash app. Tapos itong QR button, pindutin natin yan. Upload QR. And then i-select natin itong latest na QR code na nasa gallery natin. Here, i-review lang muna natin kung tama ba yung details. So 200 pesos worth of USDC yung gusto ko kaninang i-transact. So just have to click on the pay button. Then yan, paid na natin yung 200 pesos. Balik na tayo dito sa ating Bitget wallet. Then, pindutin itong confirm button, yung blue. By the way, you can change the language, naka-Tagalog kasi siya. So, you can also, change it into English. So, wait lang natin na matapos yung pinaka-process. Magno-notify yan dito sa ating Bitget wallet app. So, crypto transfer in progress. 3.0827 USDC, that's 200 pesos. And yan, deposit successful. Now it's time to fill in our GetGas. To do this, punta lang tayo sa wallet section. Then, swipe natin pa kanan to see GetGas. Ayan, pindutin natin itong button ng GetGas. And right here, meron tayong deposit now button. Pindutin lang po natin yan. Then right here, pwede natin piliin kung ano yung crypto coins or token na gusto natin mag-serve as payment for the gas fees dito sa GetGas. But for me, since naglagay tayo ng USDC sa BNB chain, yun na lang yung piliin natin. Then I'll click on 100. Click on next. Review order, confirm payment. And don't worry kasi yung network fees lang naman yung kino-cover nito at the moment. So deposit in progress, GetGas top up successful. This just means na pwede na tayong mag-transact sa BNB chain without any worries na baka maghingi ng gas fee while we're doing those transactions. Basically, meron na tayong pang gas fee, so let's get back to the workaround para dito sa ating minor problem. Since BTC doesn't support BNB chain dito sa GCrypto, ang gagawin natin is i-convert natin or ita-trade po natin yung BTC natin into BNB, and kapag BNB na po siya, pwede na nating ma-send sa ating GCrypto. To do this, we just have to press trade, and right here kung makikita ninyo yung nasa taas is yung BTC, sa baba naman is currently kung ano yung last set ninyo. So i-change natin ito, gawin natin is BNB under BNB chain. And right here, ilagay ninyo yung amount or yung quantity na gusto niyo. Let's say for me, 0.00007. So that's around $4.5. And meron siyang ipapakitang computation dito. All you have to do is to click on trade, then click on confirm. So it's currently swapping. So balik tayo, check natin if okay na yung ating ginawang transaction here. And lumabas sa transaction history natin na na-convert na yung ilan sa ating mga BTC into BNB. At this moment, converted na yung ating BTC into BNB. Therefore, pwede na nating isend yung ating BNB to GCrypto. To do this, hanapin nyo lang yung BNB sa wallet. And right here, pinutin yung transfer. Tapos yung ating receiving wallet address is coming from our GCrypto. So saan natin makikita yung GCrypto dito sa GCash? Pindutin lang natin itong view all sa explore the app, then pindutin ang grow. Makikita nyo po dyan yung GCrypto. Wait lang natin na ma-open since medyo may katagalan ito. Anyways, nag-open na siya. So what we want to do here is punta tayo dito sa may market sa baba. Then i-search natin dito BNB. Ayan. And pinutin natin itong BNB. And i-click natin itong receive. Here makikita natin yung ating wallet address. So makikita ninyo BNB, BSC. So that's the BNB chain. Copy lang po natin itong ating wallet address. Balik tayo dito sa ating Bitget Wallet. Then i-paste po natin dito. Allow paste. And then click on next. Alright, dito ang pagkakatanda ko is 0.0075. That's around 4.5 USD. So click on next din natin dito, and ito yung ating confirmation. So it's just saying yung receiving address natin is EC12. Balik tayo sa GCrypto, EC12. Alright, and then okay naman na lahat. Just click on transfer, and yan, magsasend na yung ating BNB from Bitget Wallet papunta sa ating GCrypto. Over here sa ating GCrypto, na-receive na natin yung ating BNB na tinransfer. Ayan, nag-reflect na rin siya just today, 11:40 PM. Yan yung ating 0.0075. That's around 270 pesos. So, ang question naman right now is paano naman natin maiko-convert yung BNB into PHP para magamit natin from GCrypto into GCash. Dito pa rin sa GCrypto, punta tayo sa portfolio. And right here, makikita ninyo nandyan yung ating BNB. What we want to do is to click on that. And right here, meron tayong several buttons. Ang pafokusan lang natin is itong sell sa may bandang ibaba. And right here, pwede tayong mag-market order, which is basically yung pinaka-simplest para sa mga beginners. Pero if you're an advanced trader, you could also do limit order. But for this tutorial, we'll just focus with market order. Let's say I want to sell everything na na-receive ko dito sa transaction na to. So I'll click 100%. Therefore, makaka-receive ako ng 277 pesos. And if goods na sa akin yan, I'll click on the sell now button. Wait lang natin yung transaction. So your sell order is successful. Ayan yung ating naging transaction. Back to dashboard tayo. And dito sa peso balance natin, dumagdag na po yung binenta nating BNB, and it's now in PHP or Philippine Peso. Additionally, pwede nyo rin ma-check dito sa transactions page even yung mga naging sell transactions ninyo. So kanina diba nakapag-receive tayo ng 0.0075 BNB, and then yung nag-sell tayo, nandito rin po siya sa ating transactions page. So yung konting difference, it's because meron pa akong BNB dito sa aking GCrypto. Now, paano naman natin may lalabas yung Philippine Peso dito sa ating GCrypto papunta sa ating GCash? Just simple, punta ka lang sa home, and then pinutin mo dito yung withdraw. Tapos ilagay mo yung amount. Let's say ang full amount na nandito, yung withdrawable cash is 307. Kasama na yung ating withdraw or yung kinonvert natin kanina. Then click on continue. Wait lang natin na matapos yung transaction. Tapos mag-enter tayo dito ng authentication code. You'll be receiving that code dyan sa email na naka-attach sa GCash account ninyo. So in my case, that's this one, no? Copy lang natin. Balik tayo sa ating GCrypto. Paste natin. Then, submit code. Wait lang natin na matapos yung ating transaction here. And boom! Success. So, dapat meron na mag-reflect na 307 sa ating GCash. So, nandito na tayo sa GCash homepage. Punta tayo sa transactions. And boom! Ayan, makikita nyo guys, no, yung ating GCrypto withdraw plus 307, same as the amount nung pinakita natin kaninang transaction. And if you click on it, makikita natin yung reference number, yung exact date and time, and yung amount. And that concludes our tutorial. Honestly, lahat naman ng ginawa natin dito can also be applicable sa ibang mga wallets or exchanges, including coins.ph. All we have to worry about is yung pang-gas natin, since hindi matutuloy yung transaction if wala tayong pang-cover ng gas fees. Now, reminders lang before we end, no, make sure na yung pagta-transfer natin is also present kung nasaan man manggagaling yung ating funds. Let's say dito sa naging example natin, BTC ko is under sa BNB chain. Therefore, dapat ang recipient natin, which is yung sa GCrypto, dapat meron din siyang BTC under BNB chain. Turns out, wala siyang BTC under BNB, nasa BTC chain lang siya. Therefore, we really need to convert that BTC into something else na pwedeng ma-receive ng GCrypto, which is in the form of BNB. Since merong BNB under BNB chain sa Bitget Wallet and meron din yan sa GCrypto, therefore compatible sila. Now, let's say meron kang Ethereum. Kung ang Ethereum coin mo is nasa Ethereum network, make sure na nasa Ethereum network din yung pagre-receivean mo. Kasi ang Ethereum medyo complex siya kasi merong Arbitrum, meron ding Blast. So, medyo marami at medyo complicated. But of course, nandito naman tayo. Feel free to ask questions if meron kayong ma-encounter na issue or problem dyan sa ating comment section. And if you find this video helpful, hit the thumbs up. And huwag nyo kalimutan na mag-subscribe and hit yung notification bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na kagaya nito na in-upload natin dito sa ating channel. Yun lang. God bless you all.